Hey! Welcome to Tech News Station. Today we'll talk about the Gears of War creator suggests Xbox Series is too woke now, so let's begin. Back in the Xbox 360 days, Gears of War was a textbook bro shooter, and a very good one at that. Not only were the first few Gears of War games critically acclaimed, but they sold very well. In fact, alongside Halo, the series was Xbox's biggest system seller. However, since Epic Games and creator Cliff Bleszinski moved on from the series, the franchise has become increasingly less and less bro shooter-ish. For some this is appealing, for others the series has lost its identity. That said, personal opinion aside, there's no denying that since the Coalition took over the series, it hasn't had the same level of prominence. Not only is it not selling as well, but the series isn't reviewing nearly as well either. Does this have anything to do with the series getting away from its roots somewhat? No, I don't think so. I just think the market has changed. Also, it's hard to find a team to replace Epic Games, who was, and still is, one of the best in the business. That said, while interacting with a fan on Twitter, the aforementioned Bleszinski seemed to suggest that series has become too woke. Whether this is a negative in Bleszinski's book isn't quite clear, but the series creator has offered to serve as a consultant on the franchise going forward. Before moving forward, subscribe Tech News Station and press bell icon. Now, for context, this comes on the back of Bleszinski saying that he believes one of the reasons his latest game, Lawbreakers, failed is because of similar reasons. Ever since the studio closed, I've been racking my brain what I could have done differently, wrote Bleszinski on Instagram. Pivot hard when the juggernaut of Overwatch was announced. Been less nice with my design ideas and more of a dictator with them. One big epiphany I had was that I pushed my own personal political beliefs in a world that was increasingly divided. The Gears of War creator continued. Instead of the story being, "This game looks neat," it became, "This is the game with the woke bro trying to push his hacky politics on us with gender-neutral bathrooms." Instead of, "These characters seem fun," it was, "This is the studio with the CEO who refuses to make his female characters sexier." Instead of, "Who am I going to choose?" it became, "White dude shoehorns diversity in his game and then smells his own smug farts in interviews instead of just letting the product speak for itself." It's okay to be political when your company or studio is established for great product first. But we were unproven and I regret doing it. At the moment of publishing, a new entry in the Gears of War series has not been announced. Enough for today. Don't forget to like the video. Goodbye.